Well, hello there. Pleasure to see you today. Why don't you go ahead and have a seat, grab some lemonade, and watch a dorky white dude open a mystery box of sneakers, because that is definitely what's going on here. Hi, I'm SB Mitch. Welcome to the channel. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Below that is my website. It's where you can find all these shoes today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, unless somebody on GOAT grabbed them first. Welcome back, pals! We got another beater box today. If you didn't see Friday's video, there it is right there. This is the second box from that week. There were a lot of weird shoes in that other box. It was a good box, but a lot of weird stuff, so hopefully this one isn't the same way. This is a beater box, which is a mystery box of sneakers. This comes to us from Sole Supremacy, which is a shop outside of San Francisco, California, that has a closed membership beater box program. There's always other places to try and find beater boxes, and definitely look it up on YouTube. Do your research before you buy a beater box or a mystery box, because it is a risk. This box was $875 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. So we bring out the 200 Italian beefs to this random guy, my brother Matt and my brother Bill, that were sitting next to him. And let me tell you, I had never seen three gentlemen unhinge their jaws so quickly to eat all these Italian beefs. I'm telling you, I've never seen anything like it. For a grand total of $915. I like to stay under a grand with these boxes because those high ticket boxes are really risky. I didn't mention it in the last video, but hey, follow along with Clarence. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market, and then we're gonna break down the entire box at the end to show you how much the box is worth versus how much I actually paid. So let's open the box and see what's going on here. Guys, also remember to check out the giveaway I'm doing with my buddy Nick, SBFreak100 on Instagram. Everything is down below. You can win your very own Day of the Dead Dunk SB print. It's all on Instagram. Everything is down below for you to find out. I remember carrying this box upstairs, and this is probably one of the heaviest boxes I've ever gotten. So maybe there's like steel toe boots in here. Doesn't look like there's any loose shoes, so that's good. We got an Air Force One I'm gonna get out of the way. It's in size 9 Air Force One Foamposite. Oh, I remember these. These things are so goofy. So here's this thing. It's literally an Air Force One, but with a Foamposite upper. Yo, this might be why the box was so heavy, because these things are clunkers, holy smokes. But they're in really good shape, just a little bit of outsole wear, hardly any star loss, and a little bit of heel drag. They have the strap, so these just need a really good cleanup. I doubt there's much money in these, but dang, these are heavy. Hold on. Yeah! There you go. I mean, it's cool when you do fusions and stuff like that, but juice, woof, that's a heavy box. Got a grade school Jordan 1 7 Youth. This is like an orange rare Air Jordan 1, I think, because it says Air Jordan here on the anklet, which is cool. A little bit of wear on the bottoms. It's a nice colorway. The black vamp is a nice little touch, but I know these probably just don't have much value. I mean, it's a decent size, and Jordan 1s are kind of hot right now, so I understand why Sole put them in there. There you go, size 7 Youth. Rare Air Jordan 1 whatever thing. I'm not gonna spend too much time on that. Looks like more youth shoes. 7 Youth Air Jordan 11 Retro BG. These have some significant drag on them. This is a 2016 Space Jam and a 7 Youth. These are pretty beat up. See, the outsoles are very discolored. There's a lot of drag on both the forefoot and the heel. These are gonna go really cheap. Yeah, these are beat up. That's a shame, but it's still a cool shoe. 7 Youth Space Jam 11s from 2016. Let's keep going. So we got a size 11 Air Foamposite Pro Premium. Hey! I don't know what the actual name of these are. Very lightly worn. They call these the Blink or the Yeezy or the Solar Foamposites. Very lightly worn. You can see the outsole, very lightly worn. Not a lot of discoloration. I believe the bottom is glow in the dark, and it's a Foamposite, so it's a little bit heavier, but size 11, decent size. I don't see any like scuffs or scratches on the upper, which is very good. Yeah, great shape. Size 11, Foamposites, Blinks, very cool. Boxes, let's see, it's a Foamposite box. Yeah, there you go. There's some Foamposite box damage. Lots more in here too. This is packed. So we got a Jordan 4 in a size 11. This is LS at the end of it. This is probably Oreos. Boop, boop. Oh no, it is a Size 11 pair, very lightly worn. Legend Blue 4s. Let's check out the paint issues. And there are none. Cool. So the paint is in very good shape. Very little bit of star loss on the front. A little bit of heel drag, but not very much. Very, very, very cool shoe. Definitely a summertime shoe. It's after Labor Day. You can't wear one anymore, but there you go. Definitely UNC vibes. Very cool colorway. Legend Blue 4s in a size 11. Very lightly worn. Cool. Got another Jordan 4 in a size 11. Probably from the same seller. Ooh, this is a good one though. Yeah, this is the most recent release of the white cement 4, very classic colorway. Nike Air on the back, so it's more like the OG, very cool. Paint looks to be in great shape. I don't see any issues yet. Comes with a hang tag too, that's pretty rare. Very good shape. Just a tiny bit of star loss here on the front. Very little heel drag right there. These are in great shape, and this is a great size and a great model. People love this colorway. Personally, it's a little bit too bright for me because I'm just so goth. But this is a very, very cool shoe. Size 11, great size. White cement 4s. Got two more in here. It's an 11 and a 1. I'm gonna do the 11 first. So it is a size 11, Jordan 11. You can tell by the box what the colorway is. It does have the insert, and the insert is not cracked or anything, so that's cool. Just check the condition on these. They look very clean. Woo! These are as close to dead stock as you can get without lying about it. You can see the bottoms, very lightly worn, hardly any toe box creasing here. Wow, this is a really, really nice pair. It's got like the inserts and everything. This is struck gold here. A little bit older, but hey, that's all right. Size 11, great size, very near dead stock condition. Legend Blue 11s, very cool. Box is in great shape too, with I guess what you kids would say OG all. We got one more in here. It's an Air Jordan 1. Hopefully it's good. It is a size 11 Air Jordan 1. It's a good one. This is the 2016 release of the classic Air Jordan 1 bread or band colorway. This is great. I'm so happy these are in here. This size in particular is not a huge money getter, but dang, these are great shape. Looks like there's like spray paint on the bottom, so that's weird, but a little bit of heel drag, not too bad. These just need a solid cleanup. A little bit of insole wear. You can see the Nike Air is definitely gone inside of there. But again, one of the most classic colorways, classic models. I mean, this is the shoe that started it all, basically. So the quality on these look very, very nice. I know the quality was kind of inconsistent, but the fact that these are so lightly worn, they come with the extra laces too. Cannot complain about this. Glad I held on to this for the last. Size 11 bread 1s, very cool. A lot of size 11 in this box, which normally isn't a great size, but will it matter? Let's find out in the report card. Let's take a wild guess and give this box a grade. We get that grade through 3 categories: condition, sizes, value. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 pairs of shoes in this $875 Sole Supremacy beater box. None of them are dead stock. They all have what I assume is the original box, and there's nothing really beat up except for those grade school Space Jams. Condition on this box will say about a B. Sizes, we have 9, 7 youth. You ready? 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. A lot of size 11 in this box, but given that it's a bunch of 4s, a bunch of 1s, and an 11, that's really nothing to sneeze at. Sizes on this box, pretty good. We're gonna say about an A-. Value on this box, these are all really movable models. Jordan 4s move, Jordan 11s move, Jordan 1s definitely move. I think the ease of selling on this box is very, very high. So value, I gotta say an A-. So the grade of B for condition, the grade of A- for sizes, and the grade of A- for value, this $875 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of, is that an A? Does that look an A? No. A-. So I haphazardly gave this box an A-. Is it actually worth giving it an A-? Let's find out.
Break down!
Another good week of beater boxes. Let's hope next week's boxes are this good or better, not worse. The other option would be bad. I don't think I have anything else to say. Remember to go down below and check out at SB_Freak100s giveaway on his Instagram timeline. Should be a fun thing to do. You can get yourself a print of the Day of the Dead dunks, which is very neat. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. If you like what's going on here, throw a like on there. If you don't like what's going on here, because I know somebody doesn't, give it a good old dislike so you don't have to see my stupid face very much anymore. Lots of cool stuff coming in the future for you. Lots, I mean a whole bunch. So I appreciate you sticking around. Have a good rest of your weekend. Till next time, take care of each other. Bye-bye!